Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to backup your entire WordPress site. Just follow some simple step. First of all, we will go to the plugin section. Here you can see the plugin and click the plugin section. After that, we just install a simple plugin which name is Updraft Plus. It's super popular plugin for the backup full your entire site. Because I backup our WordPress site because I need to update entire update in this WordPress site, because you can see here we have now 24 updates and some notification issues and some interface issue. That's why I just backup and then I will start in our cleaning process. So that's why just we need to install a plugin which name is Updraft Plus. So here we can see backup and then we can search it, and you can see this is the Updraft Plus WordPress backup plugin, and you can see here review is the best. The 3896 is 5 review, and then you can see 3+ million active installation. That is so cool and massive. So now I just click install, and then after install complete I activate this plugin for backup process. So for the installing it takes some time. Please wait for patience. I think this is the better for you, because the entire WordPress site I feel like that this is the best backup plugin. All there are a lot of backup plugin in WordPress, but this plugin is super powerful. So our Updraft Plus WordPress backup complete plugin install completed. Now I just activate. After activated, you can see here you can install. You go to install plugin sections, and then you can see find your Updraft plugin. This is the Updraft plugin, and click the setting options. Okay, now you can see we have a backup, older backup. So I only for database backup. Now I just need to entire backup. That's why I click the backup options and include your database in the backup, and include your files must be check by on click the backup. Okay, so it takes some times for if backup. When it's backup, it will take some times. You need to wait. So I will come back soon after backup complete. So after backup completed, you can see that kind of interface. This backup date, which date we backupped this database, plugin, themes, upload, others. Database means your entire database, current database we backup, plugin your entire plugin, and themes means the how many themes are installed in this WordPress site, and upload is our content, post page, etc., and others is other settings like that. So total size is 300 301 megabyte. You can refresh and checking again the calculating. You can see 301 megabyte, and you can download it manually. You can see here if you click the database, and you can see the begin. You can download your computer and delete from server. Here I have two options, so you can download you can click the download, and you can download your backup in your computer. After that you can restore it. So if you have any issue after updating your entire site, you can restore. Just click restore. All the entire site are restored in your current position now we have. So I think this is the best plugin for your WordPress site. Hopefully guys you can enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.